The questions are all on Buddhist texts. The abbot delivers a lecture. It can take the trainee monks who are listening to him 20 to 30 years to qualify. They start usually from the age of 10. It's finals day. 2 graduates are interrogated in front of their colleagues. The class of degree they achieve will depend on how well they perform. These monks are the Dalai Lama's army, his church militant. They're taught self-sacrifice, non-violence, respect for all forms of life. Some of them will return to Tibet. But how do they regard the Chinese, who've taken over their homeland?
You see, we try to cultivate some kind of infinite love and compassion. Therefore, there is no point to exclude China, a quarter of humanity.